Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the easiest and most delicious carnitas en la crock pot. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Alright guys, so first we're going to begin by mixing our salt, black pepper, ground cumin, oregano, and ground clove together. And once we have it, we're going to sprinkle it over 5 pounds of pork shoulder butt roast cut into large chunks. And just make sure that you get it all around. But once we have it, now we can get ready to take it to the crock pot. Alrighty guys, to the walls of our crock pot, we're going to be rubbing 1/4 of a cup of baking grease or lard. Once we have that, now we can begin to add our meat. Just throw it all in there. Now add your garlic cloves, your half an onion, 5 bay leaves. Squeeze the juice of 1 orange, add the peel in there, and finish it up with half a cup of Mexican Coke or regular Coke. Now we're just going to close it. So we're just going to let it do its thing. Alright guys, so it's been 6 hours and 45 minutes. At this point, my carnitas are done. They are nice and brown all around, and of course, super tender. So we're just going to remove them from the crock pot. Now you can get ready to serve them in tacos, burritos, tortas, whatever you want to serve them or however you want to serve them. And of course, if you want them to be a little bit more crispier, you can always just throw them in the broil for a couple minutes. But this right here are seriously just perfect. They're juicy, tender, and so flavorful. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now of course, because I love tacos, I'm going to be serving my carnitas in tacos. I already have my tortillas here. I'm just going to top them with my delicious carnitas. Squeeze some lime juice, top it with some cilantro and some onion, and let's not forget our delicious salsa. Now let me tell you, this recipe right here is seriously so perfect. And of course, if you're hosting, your taco party, you can always just throw the carnitas back into the crock pot. Just remove all of the liquid, leave a little bit behind so like that it stays nice and warm. But let me tell you that I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make super easy and delicious carnitas in the crock pot. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.